What are the most crucial things you have done to grow your business?
See, the crucial things can be understood if you can understand your limitations very well. So how did we get to these 5 eminent cardiac hospitals to install our product? We were good at making products at that point in time. Softcling was not a known brand. People did not know even Prakash Kamath for that matter, neither they knew about Softcling. So as a result of those handicaps, as I would put it, which any startup would face, you have to look at creative strategies to market your products. And one of the things which will be always in scarcity would be the financial repository of resources that you have, and you have to use them judiciously. So what we did was, to partner with people who had complementary products in the same area, had the muscle and distribution and logistics across globe, and who would not think us as a competition. So during the course of these interactions, we had come to interact with Philips Medical, we had come to interact with J&J. So J&J looked at our products and they said, we'll get it evaluated from 5 top cardiologists of the country, and if we find that product good, we would start distributing your product. So the initial sales, as I would put it, were done through Johnson & Johnson's cardiology division, and that's how we got our sales. And then that model we subsequently replicated for our next generation of products which were in medical imaging. So we knew after building one product, you can't be building huge revenue streams for your organization. So we had to look at other problem areas in cardiology which were ancillary and complementary. And then we went into medical imaging. We built a cardiac imaging system for the hospitals, and there we replicated the same model. Here we had partnered J&J, there we partnered with Philips Medical System. And with those strategies where we were leveraging our expertise in being innovative, creative company, and partnering with someone, which I would say big boys of the industry, who have the muscle presence and global footprint, partner with them and then get your revenue sales. So for a first 4 or 5 years, we were practically zero sales, zero direct sales team type of approach, marketing through distribution channels of big MNCs, and being an innovator and creator of the product.